How to find belated birthdays notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find belated birthdays notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find settings and then click notifications, and now just click birthdays, and here you will find belated birthdays notification settings on Facebook Lite, and you can manage it or anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.